What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys read the title, we're gonna be installing our PLM X-Bar on our EG. I believe is to prevent chassis flex. I know I already have a roll bar, but you can never have enough, right? So stay tuned. Oh, the new 6.9 Zaza is out. Make sure you go cop that. Give it a like. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. All right, guys. So here we have our PLM X-Bar for our EG or EG6. Here you go. It's all ready. We're gonna figure out how it goes mounted. Obviously, it goes to the top of the strut on those two nuts, whatever. And then we'll see where else it goes mounted and how do we adjust it. So let me go ahead and set you guys up and let's do this box opening real quick. This is our PLM X-Bar. I believe it's a Miracle Bar replica, if I'm not mistaken. But as many of you guys know, PLM makes really good parts, and they have a wide variety. So I thought for some reason it was gonna come disassembled, but I guess they already come assembled, which honestly saves me a lot of time. It's just 2 mounts here, 2 mounts there, and we have all our hardware right here. So let's go ahead and mount up the camera and show you guys how we're gonna do it. I was actually wrong. We do have to take it apart. It's a pain in the ass to do it the other way. So we took it all apart. It's very easy. It might seem like a mess, but it's not. Every single one of these that has an insert has a bolt. It connects that piece to that piece, to this, to the other side. Then it connects this side. Can you guys see it? That. So it's all just a puzzle. Let me start reinstalling back everything. We're gonna start off with our mounts or our brackets that go on top of the strut or the strut threads. So let's go ahead and install those. We put our brackets. They only fit one way. You're gonna put it where the bracket basically is facing more towards the trunk than the rear seat. That bracket doesn't fit over here. This one doesn't fit over there. So let's go ahead and put both our 14s on both sides, and we'll get back when it's all put together. All right, guys, next, let's go ahead and get these right here, the ones that are not that long. You see how those are longer than these? So the top portion has 2 of these, so we'll get this one and get this one right here, and these are gonna go in that piece right there. So let's go ahead and install them, and we'll be back right now. We put our strut brackets, boom, boom. Then we put our brackets up here, that one and that one, with your specialty bolt. Make sure you leave it a little loose right here, just so you can get the right angle. Yeah, so let's go ahead and move forward. We're gonna start off with our X-Bar. Obviously, the long portion or the wider portion is for the top. The smaller area or lengthwise this way is for the strut portion. For you to install it, you're going to need one of these for each corner. You're gonna need one of these for each corner and one of these for the other side, okay? And only on the top does every single one get a spacer on the top securing bracket, okay? I'm gonna explain it further because I got a little lost, but I figured it out. So let's go ahead and move forward and install our X-Bar. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. We have our X-Bar. We have our bracket up here that's still loose, and don't worry, it doesn't line up because it's not supposed to go here. It's supposed to go on this side. Same as in here, it's not gonna line up. It goes on that side, not here or over here. There you go. So remember I told you guys, get the bracket where the bolt goes through, the long one. There's the bolt, hold on, right there. You guys see it right there? And then this just spins on. Obviously you're just leaving everything loose right now, so you can put everything on, and then you'll tighten everything once everything's ready. So now let's go ahead and install the small bars from the top one that's gonna go inside of that into that one, like this, like that. It's gonna be those small ones right there. So let's go ahead and install those two. Let me go ahead and show you guys one side. So on this side in the bottom, you're gonna need a spacer on both sides on the inside. I just haven't put them on yet because I gotta take it all off so I can tighten the screw that's in here that goes connected to the C-pillar. This is how it goes. X-bar to the top. Don't worry about the X-bar. X-bar is gonna go connected to that portion right there, just not yet. And then you get your side piece, right? Get your side piece. Extend these as much as you can without having at least 5 threads in it. Put your spacers up here. This is the bracket with the long bolt, goes through here, boom, like that. And then this is the, obviously the one that turns. There's the bolt in there. And then you put your 2 spacers. All right, so that's the left side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the right side. And then I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it up here a little bit so I know where this bracket is like angled towards, so you're able to obviously tighten the bolt down and still have it within spec, so it could all bolt up. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys once I have both sides and that side is tightened down. All right, just a quick update. So we installed the whole X-bar. We installed our side piece. It's such a damn headache, you guys, adjusting everything, getting everything to fit. It's such a headache, but this is how it basically goes. Okay, this is how it basically goes right there. The side piece like that, it'll go like that with 2 spacers, the screw and the bolt, same thing as up here. It'll be the 2 spacers in between with these brackets that hold the bolt all the way in, and it screws that portion in. Okay, so that's how it is. The portion that has the bolt like that, can you guys see that? Hold on. Okay, right there, the portion that has the bolt goes towards the rear. All right, so this portion goes towards the rear because once you install the X-bar, you have to tighten them up. Okay, you have to tighten them up, so that portion comes towards the rear. So portion of the X-bar is on. We're gonna go ahead and install the bottom bar, because if we install the top one, we won't have space to go down there. So we're gonna install the bottom one that's on that side. Yeah, I believe it's obviously gonna be the smaller one. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, quick update. I connected the bar in the bottom, which is only the nut, the bolt, 2 spacers, and then just obviously even out your little, what's it called, adjustment thing right there. And that's it. All we need is this top one. So let me go ahead and install this top one, which is 2 spacers, the nut, the bolt, and then just adjust the length, and that's it. So let me go ahead and finish it up, and we'll get back with the final look. I'm finally finished. It took forever. It took forever. But yeah, I even after all the damn time it took, it came out really good. It came out really, really well. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end this video, and then I'm gonna just kind of outro with like a video of showing it off. I hope you guys stuck through the whole video. Honestly, it's a pain in the ass to do these damn these X-bars. It's a pain in the ass, especially when it has got so many like crossbars and all this other BS. Yeah. Yeah. I'm done. I am done for the day. Come on, gimbal. Jesus Christ. See, I'm done. Even the gimbal's pissing me off. You guys, like always, we're in this together. Keep your head up, even if these bullshit gimbals start pissing you off. Look at this shit, bro. It's got a mind of its own. I'll catch you guys on the next one.